In the naval shipyards and other naval ship repair facilities, a working or walking surface constitutes a fall hazard if it has an unguarded edge, including an unguarded edge around a hole which is large enough to fall through in one of four circumstances. First, if an individual could fall onto a surface 5 feet or more below. Second, if an individual could fall onto dangerous equipment. Third, if an individual could fall into a hazardous environment. And fourth, if an individual could fall onto an impalement hazard. The basic 5-foot rule is measured from the surface the individual is standing or walking on to the surface immediately below. An example of a fall into a hazardous environment is illustrated by a grisly fatality which occurred at Naval Station Norfolk in January 2004. A sailor walking on the dimly lit lower level of a double-deck pier fell off an unguarded edge of a steam transition pit and was scalded to death before he could be rescued. Note that an unguarded edge of a pier or bulkhead adjacent to water is not considered a fall hazard unless there is a structure or a vessel like a barge or a camel onto which the person could fall. An unguarded edge over water does, however, constitute a drowning hazard, and the wearing of personal flotation devices is required when personnel are working nearby.